Mom. Today, we're going to draw a super cute rainbow-colored pair of lips. Let's get started. First, I'll draw the outline of the lips. Take your time and draw it slowly and carefully. All done. Now let's trace the lines one more time to make everything look nice and clear. Next up, it's coloring time. Yellow. We'll start with yellow. I just love yellow, it's so bright and cheerful. Just relax and enjoy the process. It's okay if it's not perfect. Orange. Then comes orange. Ooh, this color makes me smile. Orange looks so pretty next to yellow. What color should we use next? Red. That's right, red. Let's put red right in the center of the lips. It's starting to look amazing already. Now it's time for blue. Blue. Do you like the color blue? Make sure to color carefully so it doesn't go outside the lines. And last but not least, we'll use green. Green. It's so fresh and fun. All done. Let's trace it one last time to make everything pop. See you in the next video.